Have you ever wondered what it's like to have your mind invaded? Today, we're diving into the terrifying world of parasites, specifically how they can hijack a living brain and fundamentally alter behavior. The story we'll explore is a chilling example of nature's dark side, a real-life horror story playing out in the microscopic realm. Imagine a tiny organism, so small it's barely visible to the naked eye, yet capable of taking control of a complex system like the human brain. This isn't science fiction or the plot of a B-movie. It's a very real and present danger. We're talking about a parasite that can manipulate behavior, turning its host into something it's not, a puppet dancing to a biological tune. The parasite in question is called Toxoplasma gondii, or T. Gondii for short, a single-celled protozoan that has been the subject of numerous studies and continues to fascinate and disturb scientists and the public alike. This parasite is surprisingly common, infecting millions worldwide indeed. Some estimates suggest that up to a third of the global population is infected. But the truly scary part? It can subtly and insidiously affect your behavior, with potentially devastating results. The primary host of T. gondii is, perhaps unsurprisingly, the domestic cat, as well as other members of the feline family. However, this opportunistic parasite can infect any warm-blooded animal, including humans, making its scope of influence remarkably broad. Once inside a host, T. gondii forms cysts often in the brain, where it can lie dormant for extended periods. However, the parasite is far from inactive. It actively alters the host's behavior to increase its chances of transmission back to its primary host, the cat, thereby perpetuating its life cycle. This is where things get truly unsettling. Studies have shown that infected rats, for example, undergo a radical behavioral change. They become attracted to the scent of cat urine, their natural predator, an instinctive response that should trigger immediate and overwhelming fear. This dramatic shift in behavior, this terrifying reversal of instinct, is all thanks to the parasite's insidious influence. Humans are also affected, albeit in ways that are more complex and subtle, yet no less significant. Studies suggest a T. gondii infection is linked to increased risk-taking behavior, a tendency to disregard caution and altered personality traits, including changes in extroversion and neuroticism. Furthermore, some research indicates a possible correlation between the parasite and mental health conditions such as schizophrenia. While the exact mechanisms by which T. gondii exerts its influence are still being researched and debated, the potential impact on human behavior is a major cause for concern, raising profound questions about the nature of consciousness, free will, and the very essence of what it means to be human.